All right, this cool, wet day is keeping me away from doing other things. It's reminding me I've been needing to take up this topic for a while. Your survival kit. And for you warm-hearted folks that are all over my groups and following me now, oddly, that like to help people in their moments of need, this will help you too. Cotton. Cotton is not your friend in cold weather. Whether you get wet in cold rain or snow melts on it and it gets wet, or you sweat in it, it can hold 40 times its weight in moisture, if I'm not mistaken. Well, let's just say, you know how heavy your bath towel can get after you get it wet. Wearing cotton when you are unsheltered or living in a tent is worse than being naked, and being naked would suck. You need wool. If you're going to build a survival kit, clothes that you'll wear in an emergency, like after Helene, and you lose everything and you have no home and you're out exposed to the elements. You want wool, you want Polypro, you want synthetics. Silk works if you happen to have some for a nice thin base layer. Do not put cotton sweatshirts or cotton thermals in that kit. That stuff would be wonderful on a hot summer day and help you cool off. It will not keep you warm. It might keep you warm in your nice residential home, in your fancy ranch house with central heating and air. Oh, but for the record, I don't live in such circumstances, even in the best of times. I don't wear cotton, except like moments like this, and I have a t-shirt. Oh yeah, I am obviously advertising for my friends back home and myself, because I'm going to need to earn a lot of money to rebuild. Point is, I know I'm beating this out and making it really long. If you want to help victims of a hurricane that are living in tents and without shelter, send them wool hats, wool socks, wool thermals. Send them Polypro, polyethylene, whatever. Send them synthetics that will not hold water to make awesome base layers. Do not under any circumstances give them any cotton. Cotton is not the answer. It's a really bad idea. So that's it. I hope I didn't hurt anybody's feelings. And to all you folks that sent a shit ton of cotton to disaster victims, yeah, we got a lot. We sent all that stuff off to some shelters. Hopefully it'll help people in homeless shelters and people purchasing things at thrift shops that they will use where they have central heating and air. That stuff is evil. It only gets in the way, and it doesn't burn good in a campfire either. Don't send cotton to disasters. It isn't helpful. Thank you. And for your own use, go buy some wool stuff so you can stay warm in case you have an emergency.